Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video I'm going to show you this really awesome slicing text effect, and that's right inside of Adobe Photoshop. So once you've got Adobe Photoshop open, we can begin with this effect, and to begin we're just going to start by creating a brand new text layer. So we'll press the T on the left side of Photoshop and we'll just type out a specific word. I'm going to type out the word awesome. I'm just going to decrease the size, and I'm going to change the color of this text to, let's say, yellow. Now once you're happy with the look of your text, we're just going to center this up in the very middle of the canvas, and then we're going to go over to the polygonal lasso tool that's on the left hand side of Photoshop. Select the polygonal lasso tool, and we're just going to draw a slightly wonky mask on the top half of that text layer. Now, making sure that layer is selected, you want to go down to the very bottom right of Photoshop and press this symbol. It's a rectangle with a circle in it, and that will basically remove the bottom half of that mask. Now we're just going to copy this, so select the layer, hold Command C and Command V. We're going to select the bottom layer, and then we're going to hold Command and press I, and that's going to invert the mask. So essentially we've got the top and the bottom part of that text separated into their own layers. Now you just want to move the position of the layer on the bottom over to the right, just to add a little bit of separation from the top to the bottom. And once you're happy with the look of this, we'll go ahead and create a brand new layer. So we'll go layer, new layer, press OK on this window. We'll go to the paintbrush tool, change the color of the paintbrush to black. And then we're just going to change the ordering of the layers on the right side of Photoshop. So you want to make sure the top half of the text is on the very top. You want to put the new layer just below that, and then you want to place the bottom text on the very bottom. Now select layer 1. We'll go to the paintbrush tool. We'll decrease the size of this to around 50%. Reduce the softness all the way down to 0%, and we'll just draw a line across the center of the text following the cut from that mask. Now once you're happy with that, we can reduce the opacity down to around 40%. And then we'll just go back into the polygonal lasso tool, and we'll draw a mask around the top half of that line that we just created, following the line from the original mask. So draw that mask, we'll go to the erase tool, we'll increase the size of the erase tool, and then we'll just completely erase everything within that mask. And if we hold Command and D, that will deselect the mask. And there you go. We've successfully completed this cut, splice text effect right inside of Adobe Photoshop. And there you go. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, check out the previous video, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. See you there.